Hello everyone, today I will teach you how to make simple and fast cauliflower soup. In the Czech Republic we would say Květáková, polévka. So as you see, we don't have that many ingredients, so it's super simple. We will need 1 pound of raw cauliflower. I just got a whole head, but you will not use the whole head. It would be too much. If you cannot find fresh, maybe look for a frozen one. That's also good, and it will also work. Then we will need 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 1/4 of a cup all-purpose flour, 5 cups of water, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of beef base, and we will also need a little bit of a whole nutmeg. And it's funny because in the Czech Republic you can buy just a packet with 2 or 3, but here in the US we have big ones, so this will last me a long time. And then we will need 1 cup of half and half. In the Czech Republic it's called cream for cooking. So let's start. So here I have 1 pound of cauliflower. I washed it and I cut it in smaller, but now we will need to cut it even more. What I do with the leftover cauliflower, because this is like a half of a large head, I cut it very small and I put it in a freezer for next time. So you can do that too. So we will just cut it very small. So here is 1 pound of cauliflower. I cut florets and also the stalk, so don't discard it, but cut it if you have the center really like thick center, just cut it in smaller pieces because that takes a little longer to cook if you would have it too big. Let's turn on the stove to high. And inside the pot, I put 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. And now you will want to melt it, but don't have the stove maximum because you don't want to burn the butter. I mix it a little bit, and when the butter is almost melted, you can add the 1/4 of a cup all-purpose flour. And now let's mix it, and we will be creating roux. This will be our thickening for the soup. Now you will want to mix the whole time. And you are looking for a little bit more brown. Just make sure to stir it the whole time because it will wanna stick to the bottom and burn. And I see already some nice color, so this is good. So now we will be adding 5 cups of water. And you will wanna stir it. And what I like to do, if I see any chunks, I just use a whisk. This will make sure that it's all smooth. This is good. So I take back my wooden spoon. Let's bring the heat to the highest because you will want to bring it to the boil and continue stirring. It is starting to boil, so let's add 1 tablespoon of beef base. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add the chopped cauliflower. And let's add a little bit of the whole nutmeg. And as you see, I've been already using it. So just grind some inside. If you prefer more, you can do more or less, or skip it if you're not a big fan of this flavor. But this makes the soup. This looks good. I used part of it. Let's stir it. And for example, you can try it later, and if you would prefer more nutmeg, just add more. That's really up to you. Now let's cover it with the lid, and I have it cracked open for the steam to have a space to escape, even though there is a little hole, but I like just make sure that it doesn't overflow. Now it's start to boil again, so lower it to medium. Just make sure that it's been boiling on a gentle boil, and let's set up the timer for 10 minutes. You don't have to stir it the whole time. Just come and a few times, one time, just stir it. And while we wait, let's whisk one egg. I think this is super cute, small whisk. I love it. Just make sure that you don't see any large pieces of egg white, because if you have a big piece, then it will just go in a soup in one piece and you will have a big chunk, and not many people like that. So this looks perfect. 10 minutes are done, and I know that it will be perfect, because you don't want to have it very soft and mushy, because you are still looking for that crunch, which is nice, but not too hard that you cannot blend it. So this looks good. Another thing I want to mention, if you would prefer the soup to be more white, just use, instead of the beef base, use a chicken base, which will be lighter in the color. But I like the taste of the beef base, so that's why I used it. Now we will scoop up some of the cauliflower. Now it depends how much you want to leave in. If you prefer the soup completely creamy, then just blend it all together. But we like a little bit of the cauliflower, so I put it in a bowl. Scoop up a little bit more. So about this much. This will be perfect. If you prefer the soup to be more runny, then leave just all the cauliflower inside and eat it like more runny. But I prefer the cream with some pieces of cauliflower. Here I have immersion blender, and now I will blend it all. I didn't turn off the stove, it's still a little bit boiling. I have it on low because we will be adding more ingredients. Just be careful because it will be hot if it splashes on you, so don't pick it up. Just blend it like this down. If I see still some cauliflower, I look like this and I go right on top of it and I blend it. And this looks good. If you have some cauliflower left, that's completely okay, because we will be adding more pieces of cauliflower anyway. But this is majority is blended. And now let's raise the heat a little bit, because it needs to be back to gentle boil before I'm adding egg. But first, let's add 1 cup of half and half to warm it up also. Now let's wait for the gentle boil. It starts to boil, so now let's add 1 egg, and you will wanna stir it like this with a wooden spoon and just pour slowly. Cook it just for half a minute, and also return the cauliflower we set aside. So I'm waiting again for that boil, and then just half a minute and we are all done. This soup is so fast. It takes about 50 minutes maximum. So it's a perfect thing to make if you are in a hurry. The egg is all cooked. The cauliflower that was set aside is warmed up, and we are done. Now let's serve the soup. I will scoop up some of the cauliflower too. And I have some chopped up parsley, so I will just sprinkle it on the top to take nice photos. And it's time to taste test now. And I have it on this beautiful hand-painted plate. made by an artist in South Moravia with the traditional podluží designs. So let's go for it. And I know this is incredible soup. So good. You can taste the nutmeg, which makes it the unique flavor that this cauliflower soup should have. Traditionally, it's always made with the nutmeg, so I recommend using it. And I guarantee you, for people who say, I don't like cauliflower, let them try this soup because it's amazing. So I hope you try it. Like I said, it's just 50 minutes, so no excuses. And let me know how you like it. Put thumbs up on my YouTube videos. Subscribe, follow me. I love this community of people all over the world. And I hope you have an amazing rest of the day. Bye, guys. So we will need 1 cup. Here I have a mirror. I have to show you guys something. This is so funny. I was cleaning up dishes, putting in a sink, and I look at my bowl from the egg, and look, the bowl is smiling. Isn't it funny? I don't know how the two eyes got created, but I thought it was funny. I looked, I'm like, what? This is a smiley.